Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Now we'll be trying to give an answer to the second question asked in Nata 2018 examination. The second question which I got it from some of my students and from the comments only. I didn't get any official version of the second question, so that whichever I got it, from that I am trying to answer this question. To answer this question, I have chose analog colors here: yellow, green and yellow green. Now I don't say this is the proper exact answer for the second question. There are many different perception you can answer to this question. Many different ways you can make a composition using given shapes: square, right angled, triangle and the circle. So don't assume that I have given an exact answer to the question. There are many different perception, many different way of making composition to the second question. There are many opportunities to draw the second question. Okay, here we'll try to answer the question now. Okay, here to identify center point to the paper, center of the paper, I have used I think you know how to find out the center of the paper. So you have to use the diagonal mark so that you can the meeting point of the diagonal lines will be the center point of the paper. So after finding out the center line, center point, I am just trying to draw a sketch, a simple composition. Now here I have I'm using triangles, right angle triangle. I try to flip the triangle. You can do any modification or manipulation. Not manipulation, you can use in a different angle. So I have arranged in a proper symmetrical composition. Here I am trying to add up almost all the element of design, like emphasize, movement, order, harmony. So mostly I'm trying to adding all element of design, principles of design. So now here I have added a square. I have tilted to emphasize the focal point. Now inside the square I drew a circle. I'm not using ruler here. I'm just trying to sketching with the freehand drawing. Now I'm trying to add both the side squares. I'm trying to draw the same size as much as possible. with eye measurement. Distance also I'm just calculating with my eyes only. No, not I'm not using ruler to draw this. So now I'm just adding up symmetrical composition to make composition in a harmonized manner to visually pleasing appeal to the composition. Now here almost we have completed the rough drawing. As I told you already, this is my perception, my way of making a composition using a given shape. Even though you are allowed to use as many time, I think a maximum 20 shapes, 20 numbers of shape you can use it, but I have used a very limited number of shapes here. This is my version, so there are n number of possibilities to make a composition. Now I am trying to darken the outline with a black pencil. Just completed the fair outline drawing. Just a rough sketch completed. Now I am using analog colors. I hope you know what is analog colors. Analog color is in the color wheel. If you choose any color, maybe I chose yellow here, and adjacent to yellow, if you choose yellow green and green, that will become analog color. And also I have decided to go for greenish kind of color scheme, cool color scheme, to give a pleasant appeal to the eyes. You may choose cool colors. Maybe you could uh, choose blue variety colors also, blue family color scheme, but definitely not to choose warm color. Warm color here, to give a visual appeal pleasant to the eyes, I have chose cool colors. Overlapped shapes, intersections become a different size of the shapes, so that to that also you can give some different tonal values. This is just an example. I'm telling you again, this is not the only answer to the question. There are many answers, and there is no wrong answer in the coming in terms of drawing. Everything is a correct answer actually. When if you have done something, so that is a correct answer. So No need to worry. Here I used symmetrical composition. You may use asymmetrical, radial, or random composition, whatever it may be. So that is all answer to the question. So this answer for the second question, I thought okay, I shouldn't make a tutorial on this, but many students requested, so that is why I tried my version of the answer. This is my version for second question. So not to confuse, you have done a correct answer or not. Whatever you have done, you given us an answer, so that is okay, no problem. Don't worry about any deviations. There are many opportunities, many angle, many composition, many more version available to make this to answer this question. Right. I hope you like this video. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.